Hey everyone, welcome back to my fashion studies series. Today we're going to learn one of the most powerful elements of design, color. As a fashion stylist, color is the first thing you must master because it controls mood, body shape, personality, and the entire look of an outfit.
What is color? Color is the strongest visual element in fashion. Before anyone notices your fabric, your silhouette, or any design details, the very first thing they see is the color. Color has the power to completely change how a person looks and feels. It can make someone appear slimmer or whiter, older or younger, bold or soft, confident or shy, all without a single word.
This is why every stylist must understand how colors work, how they affect the human eye, and how they express personality.
Color controls key things. First impression. Color creates an immediate reaction. It's the first thing people notice. Emotional impact. Every color evokes a feeling, from calm and peaceful to bold and energetic. Body illusion. Dark colors can slim the body, light colors can highlight, and strategic contrasts can balance proportions. Photographic appearance. Some colors look amazing on camera, while others may wash out the skin or appear too harsh. Trend value. Colors determine what feels modern, seasonal, or classic. Staying aware of trending shades elevates any look instantly.
In fashion, color isn't just decoration, it's a visual language. It speaks before you do, sets moods, and helps you make a statement even before words are noticed.
The color wheel. The color wheel is a tool that helps us understand colors, how they're related, how they mix, and how they interact. It's essential for stylists to know because it guides every color choice in outfits, makeup, and design. Primary colors. Primary colors are the base of all other colors. These are red, blue, and yellow. They cannot be created by mixing other colors. Secondary colors. Secondary colors are made by combining two primary colors. For example, mixing blue and yellow gives green. Combining red and yellow produces orange. Blending blue and red creates violet. Tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are formed when a primary color is mixed with a secondary color next to it on the wheel. This produces shades like blue-green, yellow-green, red-orange, blue-violet, and many more in-between tones. Complementary colors. Colors that sit directly opposite each other on the wheel are called complementary colors. These pairs create strong contrast and instantly catch the eye, perfect for bold styling and statement looks. Analogous colors. Analogous colors sit next to each other on the wheel. They create soft, natural, and harmonious combinations that are easy on the eyes. Triadic colors. Triadic colors are sets of three colors evenly spaced around the wheel. They provide a vibrant yet balanced combination, often used for creative and energetic looks. Neutrals. Neutrals like black, white, gray, beige, cream, and brown are not on the wheel, but they are essential. They help balance colorful outfits, make bright colors pop, and create timeless, classic looks.
The color wheel is more than just primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. It shows relationships between colors, helps create contrast and harmony, and is the backbone of all styling decisions.
Color schemes. To style an outfit beautifully, it's important to know which colors look good together. These combinations are called color schemes, and they help create balance, harmony, and visual appeal. Monochromatic color scheme. This scheme uses only one color in different shades, tints, and tones. It looks elegant, sophisticated, and well-coordinated without being loud. Monochromatic outfits also create a slimming effect and make the body appear taller. Analogous color scheme. Analogous colors are next to each other on the color wheel. For example, yellow, yellow-green, and green. This combination feels soft, natural, and very pleasing to the eyes, perfect for calm and harmonious looks. Complementary color scheme. Complementary colors sit opposite each other on the wheel. Pairs like blue-orange, red-green, or yellow-purple create strong contrast and grab attention. They are ideal for festive outfits, photo shoots, or editorial styling where you want the colors to pop. Triadic color scheme. A triadic scheme uses three colors evenly spaced around the color wheel. For example, red, yellow, and blue. This combination is vibrant, balanced, and creative, making outfits look lively and coordinated. Neutral colors. Neutral colors, black, white, gray, beige, cream, and brown, are the backbone of every wardrobe. They pair well with almost any color and provide a timeless, classic look. Neutrals are perfect for balancing brighter or bolder shades in an outfit.
Understanding color schemes helps a stylist mix and match colors effortlessly. The right combinations make an outfit look intentional, balanced, and visually appealing.
Warm and cool colors. Colors can feel warm or cool, and this affects the mood, energy, and even the way the body looks. Understanding warm and cool colors is essential for styling outfits, makeup, and interiors. Warm colors. Warm colors include red, orange, and yellow. They feel energetic, lively, and friendly. Warm colors tend to attract attention and create a bold, confident vibe. Keep in mind, wearing too many warm colors can sometimes make the body look slightly larger. Cool colors. Cool colors include blue, green, and purple. They feel calm, professional, and elegant. Cool colors are also visually slimming and can make the body appear taller. These shades work well for formal looks, office wear, and relaxed, sophisticated outfits.
Knowing which colors are warm and which are cool helps a stylist control mood, focus, and visual balance in every outfit. It's also a simple way to make someone look taller, slimmer, or more confident using color alone.
Tint, shade, and tone. Every color can appear in different versions, and knowing these variations helps a stylist create depth, contrast, and harmony in outfits or designs. Tint. A tint is created when you add white to a color, making it lighter. For example, pink is a tint of red. Tints feel soft, gentle, and calming, perfect for a romantic or delicate look. Shade. A shade is created when you add black to a color, making it darker. For example, maroon is a shade of red. Shades give depth, richness, and a more dramatic or elegant feel to an outfit. Tone. A tone is created when you add gray to color, making it softer or muted. For example, dusty rose or sage green. Tones feel subtle, sophisticated, and easy to mix with other colors without overpowering the look.
Understanding tints, shades, and tones allows a stylist to play with lightness, darkness, and softness. It's a simple way to make outfits look layered, balanced, and visually appealing.
Color psychology. Colors directly influence how we feel and how we react. They communicate emotions without saying a single word. Red. Red is all about energy, passion, and confidence. It grabs attention instantly. If you want to look bold or make a strong statement, red works perfectly. Blue. Blue feels calm and trustworthy. It gives a peaceful and professional vibe. Light blue feels soothing, while dark blue feels powerful and stable. Yellow. Yellow is the color of happiness and positivity. It brings freshness and youthfulness, but too much yellow can feel overwhelming, so it's best used in balance. Green. Green represents nature, balance, and growth. Light green feels refreshing, and dark green feels rich and successful. Orange. Orange is warm, fun, and full of enthusiasm. It instantly adds a friendly and creative vibe. Purple. Purple is known for luxury and creativity. Soft lilac shades feel dreamy and gentle, while deep purples feel royal and rich. Pink. Pink stands for love, comfort, and femininity. Light pink feels soft and calming, while hot pink feels bold and playful. Black. Black is chic, elegant, and mysterious. It gives a premium, strong look, but using too much can feel heavy. White. White feels clean, pure, and simple. It opens up space and gives a calm, minimalist vibe. Gray. Gray is neutral, modern, and balanced. Light gray feels calm and subtle, while dark gray feels serious and formal. Brown. Brown is warm, earthy, and reliable. It creates a natural and grounded feeling. Gold. Gold represents luxury, success, and celebration. It adds a glamorous, high-end touch to anything. Silver. Silver feels modern, cool, and futuristic. It's sleek and perfect for tech or stylish looks. Beige/nude. Beige is soft, elegant, and natural. It brings warmth and comfort without being loud.
So yes, every color has its own mood and purpose. And once you understand this, you can choose colors more smartly in outfits, makeup, rooms, and even branding.
Color and body shape illusion. Stylists use color not just for style, but also to shape the way a body looks. The right colors can highlight certain areas, hide others, and create the perfect balance. Dark colors. Dark colors like black, navy, or deep brown help to slim areas of the body. They create a visually smaller effect and are perfect for areas you want to downplay. Light colors. Light colors such as white, pastels, or soft shades highlight and bring attention to certain areas. They make features pop and can add volume where needed. Bright colors. Bright, bold colors instantly attract the eye. They are great for emphasizing key areas or creating a focal point in an outfit. Neutral colors. Neutral shades like beige, gray, or cream balance out an outfit. They help other colors stand out without clashing and create a harmonious look. Color blocking. Color blocking is a technique where you use contrasting or strategic color placements to shape the body and guide the viewer's eye. For example, placing dark panels on the sides and a bright color in the center can make the waist appear smaller and the body more proportioned.
By understanding how different colors affect the body visually, a stylist can make outfits more flattering, create illusions of height or slimness, and direct attention exactly where it's wanted.
Color for skin tones. Choosing the right color for a client's skin tone is one of the most important parts of styling. When the color matches the undertone, the face instantly looks brighter, fresher, and more balanced. Warm skin tone. People with warm undertones have a yellow, golden, or peachy hint in their skin. They look best in colors that also have warmth in them. Best colors: olive mustard, warm red, rust orange, gold. Why it works? These shades blend beautifully with the natural warmth of the skin and give a healthy glow. Cool skin tone. Cool undertones have a pink, rosy, or slightly blue base. They look best in colors that feel cool, calm, or icy. Best colors: navy, lavender, emerald, icy blue, silver. Why it works? Cool shades balance the skin tone and make the face look fresh, bright, and refined. Neutral skin tone. Neutral undertones are neither too warm nor too cool, a perfect balance. That's why they can carry almost any color easily. Best colors: almost all colors, especially soft, muted, or balanced tones. Why it works? Neutral undertones allow both warm and cool shades to blend naturally, keeping the look harmonious. Cultural meaning of colors. Colors don't just look beautiful, they also carry deep cultural meanings. Different cultures see colors in different ways, and as a stylist, it's important to understand these meanings. Red. In many Asian cultures, red represents celebration, luck, and joy. It's used in weddings, festivals, and important ceremonies because it brings positive energy. Black. Black is seen as strong, powerful, and formal. It's used in business, luxury fashion, and evening wear because it gives a bold, confident vibe. White. In Western cultures, white symbolizes purity, innocence, and weddings. Brides traditionally wear white dresses to represent a fresh new beginning. Gold. Gold stands for wealth, success, and luxury. It immediately makes an outfit or accessory look premium and high status. Green. Green symbolizes nature, harmony, and healing. It's often linked to growth, freshness, and calm energy. Color trends. Color trends change every season, and stylists always keep an eye on what's new. These trends tell us which colors will be popular in fashion, makeup, interior design, and branding. Pantone Color of the Year. Pantone announces one special color every year that becomes a global trend. Designers, brands, and creators use this color everywhere: outfits, products, shoots, packaging. Designer runway collections. Fashion weeks show fresh color palettes. Whatever colors big designers use on the runway often become the next season's trend. Celebrity styling. Celebrities set trends very fast. If a celeb wears a specific color repeatedly, that shade becomes popular among the public. Street fashion. Sometimes trends come from people, not designers. Street style introduces unique color combinations that become viral. Social media trends. Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, these platforms make colors trend instantly. One viral makeup look or outfit can bring a color into global trend.
So overall, color trends are always evolving, and a good stylist keeps watching these sources to stay updated.
Using color in styling. When styling a person, color is one of the most powerful tools. The right color can enhance their skin tone, flatter their body shape, match the occasion, and even reflect their personality or mood. Key points to consider. What color suits their skin tone? Choose colors that complement their undertone, warm, cool, or neutral, so the client looks naturally bright and radiant. What color fits their body shape? Use dark shades to slim areas, light shades to highlight, and color blocking to balance proportions. What color suits the event? For formal events, neutrals and classic shades work best. For festivals or parties, bright and bold shades make a statement. What color photographs best? Some colors look better in photos, for example, jewel tones or rich shades stand out, while neon or overly bright shades can look harsh. What colors match the trend? Keep an eye on trending colors for the season, like Pantone's color of the year or popular shades in fashion weeks and social media. What message the client wants to send. Colors communicate personality, confidence, elegance, fun, or calmness. Always choose shades that reflect the client's mood and purpose.
Using the right color strategically can completely transform a look, highlight the client's best features, and make them feel confident and stylish.
Common color mistakes. Even the most stylish outfits can fail if colors are used incorrectly. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when styling or choosing outfits. 1. Too many bright colors together. Bright colors are fun, but wearing too many at once can look overwhelming. Stick to 1 or 2 bold shades and balance them with neutrals or softer tones. 2. Wearing a color that clashes with skin tone. If a color doesn't suit your undertone, it can make your skin look dull or tired. Always pick shades that complement your natural warmth or coolness. 3. Overusing black for slimming. Black is slimming, but wearing all black can sometimes feel heavy or plain. Mix textures, patterns, or a pop of color to keep the outfit interesting. 4. Wrong color for the event. Colors should match the occasion. Bright, flashy colors may not be suitable for a formal event, while dull colors might look boring at a party or festival. 5. Mismatched accessories. Even the perfect outfit can fail if accessories clash with your color scheme. Make sure shoes, bags, belts, and jewelry harmonize with your outfit's colors.
Using colors smartly is key. The right colors can enhance your look, while mistakes can distract from your style. So that's all about color, the third element of design. Next, we'll move to our fourth element, texture.